Okay, this is a little video about how to wire up your USB interface boards. Now, if we look at the diagram, you can see on here that that's pretty much representative of that. It may not look it at the moment, but it will do in a second. Right, let's put this down here. You're going to get your wires like this in a big bundle. Let's undo all these and spread them out. Now, the ones that are like this, they're all daisy chains together. Those are your ground wires. Got two of them. Okay, let's put them one over there and one there for the minute. Look at the rest of these. They've all got connectors of 4 and of 2. Okay, and if we then look at the diagram, you can see they're in blocks of 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4 and 2. The ones, single ones, they're your ground wires. If we look here, you'll see it's just one connector with one wire, and that applies for both sides, both player 1 and player 2. There we go, see ground, and let's move it over there, ground. And there you can see then on the board. Let's try, that's not very good light in here. You can see the pins, okay, and that's the same layout as that. So if we go for the joystick on the left to player 1, we get our first set of 4 wires. There we go, 4 wires, and then these go onto the 4 pins in the top left hand corner, like so. Okay, see that? And then plonk them in, that's it. So then, if we look at the diagram, the top wire is right, the next one down is left, the next one is down, and the last one is up. So that's one there. I'm trying to get the diagram in so you can see that as well. So we've got right on the joystick, next one is left on the joystick, one after that is down on the joystick, and then up on the joystick. I'm going to put this there, get the joystick next. Now, all joysticks are different, so I'm only going to be able to show you the one I've got here. If we do that movement like that, it's this micro switch here that's clicking. So we're going to say that that's going to be up. So we then go down to the 4th wire on the diagram, and it's the bottom wire there. And then we go over to the joystick. Okay, it's that one. You just simply get your wire and put it onto one of the terminals of that one. Okay, just like that. Clunk. That's in. Now, for this to work, you need the other part of the terminal to be connected on the micro switch, and that's your ground. Okay, let's put this down, and because it's on the player 1 side, you can see that the ground is in the bottom left hand corner, which refers to the bottom left hand pin. So if we put that onto that, See that? That's your ground. Now these are all daisy chained together, so it's entirely up to you which way you're going to do this. But for the sake of this, I'm just going to grab the end one. Okay, this is the ground wire, and that then goes onto the other terminal, like so. That's it. So now that top micro switch for up connection is now totally connected. And then the next wire along, let's have a look, is the down one. So if we turn the joystick around the other way, like so, we know it's going to be this one. So we get the next wire, which is down, and just do exactly the same thing. Onto the terminal, like so. Get one of the other ground wires, and then connect that, like that. That's it. So we now have up and down connected, and the next one is left. So I'll move this around this way. Remember, this is reversed because obviously this is the bottom of the joystick, so you can see that. That's it. And that is affecting this micro switch here. Again, put that there like that. It doesn't matter which way around these go because there's only two terminals on each micro switch. And again, the ground wire onto the other side like that. And that just leaves the last wire, which is right, and that's the bottom. Again like that. Get one of the ground terminals, and that then goes onto there, like so. And that, I know it looks messy at the moment, but when it's in your machine you'll have those all tied back. That's all it is for the joysticks. Each one of these micro switches has just got two connections. One is for ground, it doesn't matter, again, doesn't matter which one you use, and the other one is for the actual movement itself. If we just put that to the side a minute, and I'm going to pull the joystick one off. It's exactly the same with your buttons. If we see here, I'll put another one in for button 1, 2, 3 and 4, and that'll be on this side here, like so. Again, 4 connectors, and as you can see on there, we're now on the other side of the board. We're now doing this bit here, this section here, button 1, 2 and 3 and 4. So grab yourself a button, as he looks for a button. I should have had one of these ready, shouldn't I? One button, one micro switch. Just plonk that in, like so, right. One normal button. Now, these have got 3 terminals. Okay, we're going to use that one there as the ground. So it's exactly the same as before. you're using the ground wire that's coming off the bottom of the board. And again, I'm just going to use any one just to show you. On there like that. Put the sleeve over. And then we have the 4 button wires that are coming off the interface. And this can be any button, obviously, 1, 2, 3 or 4. You've got 4 in total. And then disconnect whatever one you want onto top terminal, that one there. And that's it. So that goes to your ground on the board, and this goes back to the board, this section here. 1, 2, 3 or 4, entirely up to you, whatever way you do it. And then you just copy the rest of all the other buttons. 12 on that side, 10 on that side. Okay.